In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, I seek refuge in him from the accursed Satan, the one who deviates and the one who misguides. Salutations upon the Holy Prophet of Islam, Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa alihi, and his holy progeny, peace be upon them all. Salutations upon the third holy Imam, Abu Abdullah al-Husain. Salutations upon the earth that he resides, Karbala Mu'alla, a cure for all. Salutations upon the last flower from the family of Fatima, Imam Sahib al-Asr wa Zaman, Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif. Salutations upon the fifth holy Imam from the family of Fatima, Imam Muhammad al-Baqir alayhi salawatullah wa salamu alayhi, the one whose presence has adorned the dunya today. On his holy and auspicious Viladat, the Amad-e-Pur Noor, presenting to you a small gift, a hadiya, a ni'mat from the family of Fatima. Everything in the dunya has a special honor and a status for its being in this dunya. Just as amongst all the prophets, Muhammad Mustafa was the chosen one, that Muhammad from all the Anbiya, Ali from all the Awsiya, Fatima from all the Nisa, and the Aimma Tahirin from all the successors and the Caliphs of this dunya. In the same way, the land of Karbala over all the other lands of the dunya, the same way as the day of Arafat, when it dawns, it has a higher status than all normal days. Or when the 13th of Rajab dawns, it has a special place and an honor. Amongst the ni'mats that Allah has bestowed upon us is the ilm of Ali Muhammad and the asar, yani the secrets of Ali Muhammad. Among the asar of Ali Muhammad is one amal that I would like to share with you, which is from the sixth holy Imam, and he presents it to us on the day of the wiladat of his father, Muhammad Baqir alayhi salawatullah wa salamu alayhi. And Imam says the highly effective amal for rizq or sustenance. And this amal is to be started from today, that is the 1st of Mahe Rajab, until the Jumma and the Jum'ah of Mahe Rajab. Yani from the 1st to whenever the Jum'ah comes, you have to recite this amal. A very easy tohfa, a very easy gift from the family of Fatima, from Imam Sadiq alayhi salam, in the presence of his holy father, Imam Panjum alayhi salam. And the amal is very, very easy, and it has been narrated by an arif. Arifs are those who have gained ma'rifat. And an arif called Ayatullah Sheikh Muhammad Taqi Najafi, a buzurg alim, yani a one who was esteemed in his time. He says that from the first day of Mahe Rajab until the Jumma of Mahe Rajab, and then when the day of Jumma dawns, for this period of time, recite ayat number, verse number 19 of Surah Shura, and this has to be done 12 times. Verse 19 of Surah Shura to be done 12 times daily. And what is this ayat? What is this ayat? Very simple. Allahu latifum bi ibadi yurziqu man yasha wa huwa qawiyyul aziz. And it is said that Allah is the one who gives to his banda, gives to his servants, yarziqu, he bestows upon them, may yasha, whatever he wishes, because he is the most powerful and the most strong. And this is what it is. This ayat to be recited 12 times every day from the first day of Mahe Rajab until the Friday of Mahe Rajab. Even if the first day of Mahe Rajab is Wednesday, for example, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Barakat after barakat, benefits after benefits will adorn your home in the love of Imam Baqir alayhi salawatullah wa salamu alayhi. Ya Rabbil Baqir, Ishfa Sadra Baqir bidukhur al-Hujjah. Oh Allah, grant upon us rizq from your best ni'mat بحق محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم.